Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're stopped off for the evening and we're going to give a room tour and review of our motel here at the Super 8 in McLean, Illinois. Alright, we have the sink here. It's right when you come in. I will say this is a little bit different from what I've ever seen before. I've never seen a sink right here when you open the door in a hotel room before. Sometimes they are a little bit over the side, kind of right there. This one is right smack here as soon as you open the door. Got the mirror there. Here's the bathroom. Towels. In quality, but worthwhile. And tub is clean, which that is good, very good thing. Toilet is clean as well. Got a chair there. Little stand where the old TV used to sit. The TV is now on the wall. Little table here. Desk. You can utilize the desk. This lamp. Microwave. Mini fridge. Nightstand. And look at that. Holy Bible placed by the Gideons. Glad to see the Gideons still doing their thing. And another nightstand. Roam free and help us stay green. I'm gonna check out this bed though. The sheets appear clean. Oh, there's the hair under the pillow. Some sort of blue smudge there. Looks like makeup maybe on that pillow. overall, not too bad. This room, right now, the time of recording this video in April of 2023, was less than $100 for the evening. Now, I do have to say I really like the photograph, that large photograph there on the wall. Before I let you know, viewers, do you know where this photograph was taken? It almost looks like something out of time, and in many ways it is, because that house there and this photograph is the home of none other than Abraham Lincoln in Springfield, Illinois. It was the only house he actually ever owned himself. This whole, you can go and visit Lincoln's house. One day I hope to do a video there, but the whole block, the whole street, they've got it kind of set off. Now, of course, there are some modern, like the concrete around there, but they've got it set up, for the most part, the way that block, that area would have looked when Lincoln lived there. It's pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. Now, on the first floor here, you will find the washing machine and dryer along with an ATM. And next to that is the ice machine and soda vending machine. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land where we checked out the room here at the Super 8 in McLean, Illinois. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comments section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by either going to buy me a coffee or Patreon, or even YouTube, and becoming a member at either one of those places. You could also hit the super like button down below. It's a little heart with the $sign in it from YouTube. Half of that money goes and supports the creator. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.